Every morning, as a seller, I start by checking my email where I receive my daily brief from Dextego. This brief gives me recommendations on how to approach my buyers, summarizing important details and helping me understand their personalities so I'm well prepared for upcoming calls. If I prefer not to view it through the daily brief, I have the option to check my calendar. Here, I can choose the type of call and review my compatibility with the buyer, as well as understand what to focus on and what to avoid. For instance, there are situations where I need to be formal, objective, and fact-based, offering detailed answers and emphasizing ROI and pricing benefits. If the call is particularly important and I feel the need to practice, I can engage in a role play. This allows me to explore strategic recommendations, including key talking points and potential objections, and practice the role play with Dextego. I can also access Dextego seamlessly while working, such as when I'm viewing someone's profile on LinkedIn. By clicking on the extension, I'm presented with a reveal button. Dextego analyzes public information from sources like LinkedIn and Google services, along with internal data from our CRM, past conversations, recordings, and emails, to create a compatibility ratio displayed below. If the compatibility score is above 80, it indicates strong alignment with the buyer, meaning fewer adjustments are necessary. I also receive communication strategies suggested by Dextego, which are based on the buyer's communication traits, offering best practices and pitfalls to avoid. Additionally, it highlights key motivators like teamwork skills, assisting me in tailoring my communication approach effectively. Dextego calculates these insights by comparing DISC and ocean profiles, as well as all other available information about my company, myself, my skills, and the buyer. DISC helps determine how someone communicates at work, while Ocean explains their behavior and communication style. This data is invaluable for understanding the buyer's main decision factors and fostering rapport to establish a strong human connection. I have the option to role-play again if needed. For instance, I used Marilyn as an example, where I interacted with Dextego as if speaking directly to her. It personifies her, providing answers based on her personality and posing questions about integrations and successful case studies. Following this interaction, I receive a scorecard assessing my delivery, credibility, and comprehensibility. By exploring these details further, I can identify subdimensions indicating my strengths, areas for improvement, and suggestions for enhancement. This feedback is derived from my knowledge base configured in the system. Shifting to the main app, the configuration process occurs during onboarding. However, I can revisit it anytime to make edits or add new configurations. This includes discussing my ICP, primary goals, preferred communication style with Dextego, types of calls I wish to practice, my methodology, deal size, and other relevant details. As an admin, I have the capability to upload our knowledge base, allowing Dextego to be tailored to our internal best practices. I can also add new users and track their progress over time, gaining valuable insights.